My meeting this afternoon with Contoso is an important one. I need to not only have a full summary of the client relationship, but I also need to be sure I'm ready to deliver the best possible pitch for their business. And I want all of this in a meeting document I can share with the team so we're all on the same page, literally. I'll start by going to Microsoft Word on the web and click the Copilot link. And I'm going to ask a question in plain English. Help me prep for the pitch meeting with... Now I want to find the meeting record from my CRM system. I can either click the Reference Your Content button, or I can just hit the slash bar, which I'll do now. I'll select the Sales Meetings option, and then click the meeting I want to prepare for. Now I want to go one step further, so I'm going to add to my conversation with Copilot based on... This time I'll click the Reference Your Content button. I can start typing and all of my content will be searched. I'll select this first document and click Generate. In a few minutes, Copilot has drafted a comprehensive document to help me be fully prepared for the meeting. As the owner of the relationship with Contoso, I can update this document to be sure it's complete and contains accurate information, and then share it to the rest of my selling team.